Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you if your Windows 10 or 11 laptop brightness not working. So you can go to the display setting. You can type here to search a display. So you can go to the setting here, the display setting. So you can turn on night light. Here the night light setting, you can adjust the strength here. And also you can schedule the night light, and also the color profile you can calibrate later. But if you want to use this Windows HD color, if your display supported, the display capabilities will be yes, yes, and yes. But in this case my display is not supported, so you can use this Windows HD color to help you show you high dynamic range and wide color gamut. And also you can go to the advanced display setting. Here you can increase the refresh rate or turn down refresh rate if you have a ghosting on your monitor, but by default go with the 60 Hz. Let's get back. You also can calibrate your monitor. Type calibrate display color here. So you can improve the color on your display by using this display color calibration. Click next. To get started, set basic color setting for your display. Press the menu button for your display. Here the menu button usually located in front of your monitor or open the on-screen display menu. So you can tap next. This is gamma defines the mathematical relationship between the red, green, and blue color. So you have to notice if you see this gamma too low, if it is good gamma, and this is your gamma too high. So set the gamma in the middle here. You can tap next. So you can set the gamma here. Move this to slider to minimize the visibility of the small dots in the middle of each circle. Here the small dots if your gamma too high, here if your gamma too low. So you can try to be like this. Next, so you can use this brightness adjustment to determine how dark colors and shadow appears on your display when adjusting the brightness on the next page. This one. Next, try to get the image to look the sample image labeled good brightness. This one, this is the good brightness. Click next. So using the control of your display, set the brightness higher or lower until you can distinguish the shirt from the suit with the X barely visible. Here there is an X, so please use your brightness setting. And also this is a good contrast, so you can turn down or increase, or you can increase the contrast or decrease the contrast. Next, the color balance. Here you can adjust the color balance, and then you can finish. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also press the button below. See you in the next video.